Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a chart in Excel. This is my task 2 of TechnoHack Edutech internship. My name is Sheikh Jasmine Kosa and I will demonstrating how we can visualize sales data using different chart types in Microsoft Excel. So one by one we will create and we will see a definition of each. Okay. First, what is column chart? Column chart is nothing but a chart visually represents the sales amount of different product categories across various months and region. So we will create a chart. First, select the data set, go to insert tab, recommended charts, all charts and column, and you can see that here is a colorful chart. Just open it and move to this place. As you can see, we have selected month, region, product category, and sales amount. So sales amount is here, and here is all categories, all data categories. Okay, January, North, Electronic, February, South, Clothing, all you can see. And from here, chart element, you can add access titles, data labels, and from here you can change the color style, and here from here you can change the filter. As you can see, the comparing monthly performance, tracking sales trends by products, and identifying which region and category contribute to total revenue is here using this chart. So column chart, I hope you get it, column chart. Next is bar chart. Bar chart is nothing but a visualization provide a straightforward comparison enabling viewers to quick spot trends such as which region or products category are driving the highest sale. So we will see which is the highest sale using bar chart. So just select the data set again, go to recommended chart, all chart, bar chart, and again chart title. Move here. Now label it exist titles, data label. So here we can see 17,000. 17,000 is nothing but the April West Electronic, and April West Electronic is the highest one. So here you can also filter out, and also you can change the color. Okay. Next part. Next part is pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but it visually illustrates proportion and contribution of different component to a whole. Whole chart is looking at the contribution of which region is contributing more. So in all chart, go on the pie chart, sales amount. Okay, take this now, move it here. Just go add label. We want to change the style, change the style. Here you can see a colorful one. Okay. Next part is combo chart. So for combo chart, we need a sales amount. It allows us to see how sales and units sold align, diverge, or complement each other. Okay, so we will see a sales amount and units sold. Go insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, and combo chart. Here you go with, okay, again. So in units sold, it is in red, and sales amount, it is in blue. So you can see exist styles, you can add and data labels also. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much, TechnoHack Edutech, for giving me such opportunity, and I have completed my task successfully because of your help. Thank you, because it's not possible if you didn't give me a task. Thank you so much. I hope you got my task. Thank you.